Hello. Hey, I thought I would do a little sit down. I've done nothing but film today, so if I look, it doesn't matter how I look, I feel tired. I thought I would sit down and take you guys with some of the PR that I've recently been sent. I have two really exciting packages, and one of them that you would never have guessed this brand would have sent me anything. So if that's not enticing enough, I don't know what is, and you won't find it on my channel. But if we haven't met before, I'll do a brief introduction, which I always cringe at, but here goes. Hi, my name's Chris. I run the YouTube channel called Still in Luck, also a hair loss channel called Still in Growth, and also a travel YouTube channel called Still in Transit. And contrary to other people's beliefs, I actually have friends. I've got over 10 years experience in the beauty industry. I'm also a trained beauty therapist. I have a huge amount of things that I adore and love and can talk at great lengths about. So that's why not only is my channel really exciting for that reason, it's also a curse because I'm forever not knowing what to talk about because there's too many options. But today I'm going to be very concise after that. The spotlight isn't just on me. I'd also love to get to know you, even the ones that just watch and don't do anything and don't engage. I still thank you because it's still a view. And you know what? In a world where you can be so many things, don't just be a view, be a friend, be an enemy, be a subscriber, be whatever you want, but don't just be a viewer. So the first box, I've actually already unboxed this and did a video in an ASMR format. So Gabriella Chill Me here. That's my way of just saying I'm Gobby. There is no shade to Gabriella Chill Me at all. It's just a reference that I make and it's a joke. So if you hear anyone else saying that joke, it was me that made it. And again, with no prejudice. I love you, Gabriella, but I am Gabriella and I can talk underwater. And the amount of talking I've done today and the fact that I still can talk now, fabulous. And I wonder why I was asked to do QVC. Right, so back on track. Beauty Pie is a brand that I've never tried before, and I know already some friends who have, but I've never really tried them. It's not for any particular reason. It's just been I've had enough products to be using and trying, but they recently offered me a selection of products that I could choose from for me to try. So I decided to get two products, which was also, by the way, how beautiful is the packaging? It's fully recyclable as well. It's like elephant pink, really nice. So industry girlies or guys, you will know of Beauty Pie, but let me know as well if you are a subscriber, because I believe that's how you gain access to their products. Let me know as well what products you would recommend or that you think I would like from there as well. So the first product, Superluminous Under Eye Genius. I got it in the shade light medium. I did wash my hands before, and I'm only using this on me. So my hand. So before, when I swatched it, I'm just swatching it again for you guys, I noticed immediately it has a really waxy texture. And this is great if you crave that texture. If you prefer a gel or if you prefer more of that silicone matted under eye, I wouldn't recommend this right off the bat. But I actually really love a waxy, thick under eye product. Maybe not every time. I think it's good to have a variety because our skin can present itself differently every day. But I like something like this when you are knackered, your skin is dry, and you are enjoying the thought of layering up your moisturizer, your hydrative products, and then you finalize on this really, if I'm hungover, this already is going to be the most amazing under eye concealer. There we go. I've said it. I would then enjoy pressing that in on the under eye. This is a product that you would want to warm up, so I wouldn't go to apply this with a brush. Apply on or warm up first. You will lose a little bit by doing that, and you are talking to Miss Frugal 101. So I don't always do that. Even me doing that for this video, I've become a better person for it. So selfless. But yeah, never again. The best way would be is to warm it up on your hand first and then apply it on and then buff it out with a brush. But I actually did do beauty at college, so I actually could do your bridal makeup. It's not a registered company and there's no reviews, but we'd have a really good time. I actually love doing makeup. I just prefer doing it on myself because no one else. I actually just prefer doing it on myself. So really nice under eye concealer. I'm very excited to try this. I want to thank, I could just talk forever, so just shut up, Chris. I was going to talk about doing makeup videos and how I don't do them as much now, and I kind of want to bring those back. So if you would like those sort of videos, or to see how I did my makeup for shows like QVC, how I do my makeup for YouTube, how I do my makeup for every day, whatever that is, write me a comment down below. The second product is this, which is the 360-degree Radiance Concentrate S001 with exclusive biologic elastic complex to help visibly firm, tighten and soften fine lines, wrinkles, boost radiance and enhance luminosity. You get 50 ml in this bottle. When I did the ASMR video, which should be now up on my channel, this has a really almost fermented smell, like if you had left a lemon in water or you had boiled it and then you smell it after it. It's a really subdued lemon, almost vinegary scent, but very delicate. I actually really like skincare that hasn't got a fragrance, and the only fragrance that it has, I know that it doesn't make sense, bear with me, that it's just of the natural ingredients that it's using. I personally prefer that, so I'm beyond excited to try this, and I'd be excited to hear what your thoughts are if you have tried this yourself. Again, with all products that I recommend online, apart from this video, they're always products that I've tried myself and would recommend. And obviously when I'm editing it, I wouldn't ever post anything that I wouldn't have bought in full myself. So down below in the description and the comments will be links to everything I'm talking about in this video, but also you can check out my store where I recommend loads of other products, consultations, video reviews, everything, as in so many things. So go check that out. The info will be down below, and it also helps to support this channel at the same time. Right, this is where it gets exciting. Let me introduce something to you. So to my UK friends, you may have only known about this brand if you watched or are watching a very popular show about a very popular family, and one of the sisters, I've literally given it away here, Kardashian's company is called Lemme, and they very kindly have sent me 2 products for me to try. I get a lot of viewership from the US with my videos. This made total sense to bring this to the channel, but you can actually buy it all over the world. So go and check out the info down below if you're interested. But if you want to find out what I have been sent, let's open this up together now. So I could do so many jokes and puns, literally. Similar to a brand called Pacifica, who began in the US, and I've been a fan for it for years. There is nothing more exciting when you find something that's just really unique. And what I like about the Lemme range so far, when you look online and you check out what products are available, it's not just the typical ingredients for things. So these are supplements that they sent me, which I'm so excited to try. And obviously I'll follow up with a future video if you're interested. But what I like about when I looked at their website in general, the ingredients that they choose to use are not only the ones that you would expect, but a lot of niche ingredients. And that's what I think is quite cool. So with a lot of celebrity brands, they will always be under more scrutiny. And I don't think that's a bad thing. I think that's great that people are much more conscious as consumers. And I enthuse people to be exactly that, be hyper aware of the things that we're investing in and buying. But what I like about this is it doesn't just seem like a brand that's a celebrity brand. I think she's done really well creating this brand with a team, no doubt, that really is different. So this is a fully post-consumer recycled packaging, but again, it's not just the standard bottle. This is really unique. Also, their names are really cool. This is called Lemme Sleep, which is a sleep tight gummy, and has an ingredient that you're not allowed in the UK. So just to be clear, and to keep my channel with my UK people safe, I do not recommend using any ingredients that are not sold in the UK, but I will use this when I'm in America or France. The next product is Lemme Grow. This is a hair growth and anti-shedding supplement which has hair vitamins and minerals with clinically studied keratin complex, 12-week hair growth, reduced shedding, and scalp health. So this has vitamin C, niacin, vitamin B6, pantothenic acid, zinc, copper, Cynatine HNS, which is solubilized keratin, L-cysteine, freeform, bamboo extract, stem and leaf, which amounts to 70% silica content. So really good. I like the bamboo extract for the silica. Planet conscious because bamboo can grow so quickly. So this has a biotin-free formula. So really interestingly, it, by the sounds of it, will rely on the solubilized keratin and the silica to do the biotin elements. I've seen online that there are sometimes those that get reactions or breakouts when they're using biotin supplements. So with a brand that's more than likely marketed towards females, that doesn't mean no one else can use the products. We're all consumers at the end of the day, but I believe this will be more targeted and marketed towards women. That's a really clever way of adapting the formula and listening to consumer issues and making the decision to not include biotin, which would have been a really easy decision to do when it comes to hair supplements because everybody else does that. Lemme Grow is formulated with clinically studied ingredients to grow thicker, fuller hair in 12 weeks with a biotin-free complex designed for those with sensitive skin and hair. Reduce hair shedding and boost shine with clinically tested keratin, vitamin and mineral blend. Let's open this together. So I've got to be honest, this is the one I'm most looking forward to trying. Lemme Grow hair growth energy. This is just awesome. So you take 2 capsules daily. Let's see how big these are. That was an ASMR, should have done it here. It smells nice, smells like custard. So they're not that big. I'm obviously holding it right up to the camera. Oh, I did not think that through. That's today and tomorrow's. It's done. Good job I cleaned my desk. Right, so I'm really excited to give these a go. Give this one a go. I'm going to use that one. I'm in America and France, remember? So let me know. So on brand. Let me know if you have tried Lemme before. And if you haven't, but you do want to, check out the links down below. If there's any offers and things, I'll include that as well and update it. But thank you for sitting down with me and catching up with some PR. I do often get sent products, so I'm more than happy to show this with you all as much as you do want to see it. But as you can tell with this video, I could just talk on and on and on and add more and more information and context to everything. I seem to be filming at the moment, and tale as old as time. It's been this way since day dot. So there is a reason why I don't always. And sometimes I just want to open it up by myself. But if the demand is there, I will provide. So I will see you in the next video, and make sure to subscribe and comment down below. It does really help to support my smaller channel grow, because it's literally just me in my office talking to you. And I don't know you yet. So do let me know who you are down below, and I appreciate it. Don't be a viewer. Bye.